Okay, this is a tutorial on how you can create your Facebook page. Okay, so I'll just click on the Facebook app here. After clicking on that, so you see where my profile picture is up here by the right hand side, so just click on it. So when I click on it, I'll just scroll down to where I see pages. You can see it right here, pages. So I will click here. So when I click here, there is an option. These are the pages I'm currently managing under this account. So I can either switch from my profile to one of these pages, or I can create another one. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are to create another page. So I will click on create. So it took me here. So a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. So I'll click on create page. Let's say page name. I don't I'm not creating this page for anything, so it's just for the purpose of this tutorial, so I can choose to use any name. Please, I'm advising you, as you are creating your page, let your page matches with what you are doing, with the kind of business you are doing, be it a physical business or an online business. I don't know if you are getting my point. Let your page matches with your business, right? Okay, let's say I'm selling clothes, so I can just choose to name this page Elas s apostrophe s collections, so that if somebody should come to your page with the name, I'm just gonna use this Z. I'm supposed to use S, so I know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna leave it within Z. So if someone should come to your page, only the name will make the person to know what this page is all about. Okay, you can see clothing and okay, clothing brand. I just go ahead and click on it. So if there's anything I want to still add to this thing, or if my page is all about clothing and health beauty, I can still select this health and beauty, but I would prefer you use your page for one particular purpose. Okay, I'll just click on the categories and I'll click on create. So we'll just wait for it to load. So I've created my page already. So the question is, what best describe my goals? Okay, is it to promote your products or services? And this one is best for companies, charities, and other organizations. Or is it to create content and connect with fans? It's best for creators and personal brands. So I'm choosing the second option. Don't choose what I'm choosing, but choose based on what you want to write. So this way I can customize my page. So I will still advise you, this first profile picture, let it be your picture, so that when somebody comes to your page, like, these things are online. Let's say you are into an online business. If I should come to your page, I don't see any picture, I might feel scared, but I wouldn't know. I might not know that maybe the person that owns this page is my closest person. Okay, so when I come and I see picture and I see, I've not even seen your video for one, showing your face, I will feel like it's a scam zone. So my advice is that this profile picture can be your main picture, while this cover picture is for your brand. That's way to go. Okay, so I'm not going to do all of that now, because I don't want this video to be very, very, very long. So I'll just click on next. Build your audience. Okay, so I can either choose to invite my friends to follow this page first by sending them the link of this page. So I'll still click on next, because I don't want to do all of that this morning, so I can do that later. All right, so I can I'll still click on next page. I will be receiving this page notification on my profile. I will be marketing and promotion emails about my page. So I'll just click on done. So immediately you finish creating your page, it will automatically switch to that page. In case you still have some on this page, you have a whole lot of things to do, right? Because we've not put our profile picture, we've not put our cover picture, we've not write a welcome post, or we've not connect this page to our business or ourselves. We not have, like, we've not had anything. So you can see that the page health is fair, but by the time that I start doing all of those things, it is showing page health good, and this will turn to green. Okay, so that's that for that. So this is a simple tutorial on how you can create your page. All right, so if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video, share this video, and also do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, see you in my next video.